So here's something that's kind of cool that I got. I got the back pad rather, for the Givi box. And it's kind of cool. It came in this little bag. It's kind of like, it's just a gift bag. But, I don't, am I going to use it for anything? Probably not. But inside the bag, we've got the back pad. Pretty simple to put on. There's only 2 screws that go on it. And it's really kind of hard to see, but in the case on the lid, there's already 2 little spots marked for where you drill it out for the 2 screws that hold it on. So this is going to be pretty nice. It's going to give me something to lean back up against on when the box is on the bike. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick out a drill bit here and match it up with the screws. And I'm going to get the drill out and get this thing mounted up. So I'm going to pause you for a minute here. Alright, I'm just going to go handheld with the camera here for a second. You see I got the 2 screws in, and they came with these little rubber washers, which is kind of cool because it'll keep them from backing out, and it also will seal it up so that it remains waterproof. And this is what she looks like from the other side now. The pad fits really well. It's made for this box, and it's it's adequate. It's going to give me a little cushion. I'd rather lean up against that than the hard box itself. So this is going to be a nice addition to this little box, and I've used this box quite a bit now, going back and forth to work, and she really works out well for me. I do enjoy it. It does what it's supposed to do. Keeps my stuff secure, keeps it out of the weather. I give it 2 thumbs up, so I'm happy with that. Alright, so now I'm going to show you what it looks like with the box on the bike. It's pretty simple to put on. You just line up these tabs here, give her a little push down, she locks right on, and there's the pad on the bike. So if you want to take a look at it, there she is. Okay, so now I'm going to show you what the Givi back pad looks like when I'm actually sitting on the bike. So the trick to this is a little hard to get on with this box. I can't swing my leg up over the top. That's just ridiculous. I can't do that. Can't swing my leg up over the seat. That's just a little difficult too. So what I've learned to do is to lean the bike over and just step over it. Oops, that didn't work out, did it? And just step over it like this. Okay, now I'm on the bike. So the back pad, it's nice. I lean right up against it. I can feel the contour right in my back. It's kind of got a nice little curve to it, and it's very comfortable. So now it's more comfortable leaning back up against that back pad than just a plastic box. So I think it's a hit. I think it's a winner. So this bike is tall. With the box on it, it's hard to get on and off. Takes a little finesse. With the box off, I'll take it off, and with the box off, it's easy, and get right on. The only time it's hard is when the box is on. So, but I use it when I go back and forth to work, when I'm commuting. So that's how it is most of the time. If I'm not riding to work, or I'm just going for a ride around the neighborhood or whatever, then I take the box off.